In this video, I will show you how to remove green screen in Capcut Android. So first, you have to launch your Capcut application. Click New Project here. Go to Photos, select an image, and then we're going to make this image blur. So what you're going to do here is you have to tap at this image first, and then look for effects. And then under effects, you can tap this video effects after. So tap video effects right here. And then this time you have to look for lens and you have to look for blur. So that would be effects, video effects, lens, and then blur. And then decrease. It's up to you if it's 5, 7, or 10, something like that. So this is the result. And once the image or background image is blur, what you're going to do next is you have to click overlay. You have to look for overlay here. Now add overlay, import that green screen video. Okay, adjust this to the full size. And then what you're going to do next here is you have to make the image longer. It should be same with the video's length. Okay, and then after that, click the video and then you have to look for remove a BG. That is a new feature in CapCut. So you have to scroll down here to the right side till you see this remove BG. Tap this one. Once you tap this, click Chrome key and then locate this circle to the green screen and then adjust intensity, adjust shadow, but you can't adjust the feather edge and so on because that is under Pro. So you have to look and adjust for intensity and shadow till you see the best result. So that's it. You just have to drag it up down till you see the best result for intensity because sometimes it depends on the video quality, but you will see the best result once you adjust this, okay? So also same thing with the shadow. For me, it's the best results. So I had to tap to check, and this is what it looks like. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and see you again in our next videos.